Hi everyone, today we're going to make a Sichuan flavored stir-fried string beans. String beans are one of my favorite vegetables. Today we're going to add a little bit of Sichuan flavor. We're going to use Yibin Yacai. This is a preserved green vegetables made in Yibin, one of the Sichuan cities. If you cannot find in your local stores, I'm going to put a link in the description box. You may get online. And I have about 1 pound of string beans and 2 chili peppers and 4 cloves of garlic sliced. So first we're going to boil the string beans. I have a pot of water boiling now. We're going to cook the string beans. And just add a drop of oil, vegetable oil. So this way we can retain the green color. And we're going to cook about 8 to 10 minutes till they are done. After about 8 minutes, our string beans are done. We're going to strain it and stir fry. First we heat up the wok to medium and we'll add a little bit of vegetable oil. Now we saute the chili pepper and the garlic slices. Now add the string beans. Now add our yacai. It's about a tablespoon. This is what we use for dandan noodle topping. Let's taste if we need the salt, because the yacai already has salt. Just a little bit of salt. Our string beans are ready. Very delicious stir-fried string beans with yacai. Hope you are going to enjoy it. It goes very well with rice. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.